Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 0x80071AC3 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Basically this is a volume related error, and to fix this issue the first and initial workaround is go to Windows search and type command prompt or CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear, choose yes. And in command prompt windows, execute the command CHKDSK. Here replace C with your drive, basically C drive where your program files installed, and press enter. Execute CHKDSK command and press enter, and follow on screen instruction to complete the scanning process. If you will ask, check the next time the system restart, choose type Y, means yes, and press enter. Next time when you restart your computer, your CHKDSK scan will function, and accordingly your various type of error will be resolved. So follow on screen instruction to complete the process. You must restart your system. The next workaround to fix this issue is right click on a start button and choose device manager. Here on device manager windows, look for the driver disk drivers and find out your drivers. Right click on it and choose update driver. Update your disk driver, USB driver which having issues, choose update automatically. And if problem is still, then go to properties and check whether this device is working properly or not. If this device is working properly, then it's okay. Otherwise, go to next workaround to fix this issue. Uninstall device, and after that restart your system. Go to action and choose a scan for hardware changes. Your device driver will automatically be installed. That's all.